Meaning of wrap up. Phrasal verb. To finish or conclude something. It can be used to indicate the end of an action, such as a meeting, project, or conversation. To cover yourself warmly, less common but useful to know. Examples. Let's wrap up the meeting. It's getting late. I need to wrap up this project before the weekend. Okay, everyone, let's wrap it up and go home. We should wrap up the conversation. The store is closing. Don't forget to wrap up. It's freezing outside. Short story using wrap up. Emma had been working at the cafe all afternoon. As the sun began to set, her manager walked over and said, "Let's wrap up for today." Emma smiled. She was tired but happy. She cleaned the tables, turned off the lights, and put on her coat. "Make sure you wrap up well," her manager added. Outside, the cold evening air touched her face, but she felt warm inside because her long day was finally wrapped up.